Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to add multiple photos on Snapchat story. To add multiple photos or videos on Snapchat, first of all, launch your Snapchat application. Now, on the left button, you will see memories or gallery icon. Simply hit on that and then go through the camera roll. From here, select the multiple photos and then simply hit on the send button. From there, you will see an option to post it as a story. Select that and hit on the send. Now, if you go and check in your profile, you will be able to see that you have posted multiple photos. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel.